Hi guys, good morning. Good morning guys. Ayoko na. Okay.
Books.
Vlog.
Books.
Ina, hello vlog.
Hello guys.
Ina, hello vlog.
Hello guys. Hello guys.
Huh?
Hello guys.
Ina, hello.
Hello guys.
What fruit is this?
Banana.
It's a banana.
Apple.
Next.
Apple.
Apple. Next. Sunod-sudan eh. Ano eh? What fruit? Orange. How about this one? It's a loot. This one.
Honey melon.
It's a honey melon. How about this one? Pineapple. This one.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. This one.
Mango.
Mango. This one.
Persimmon.
It's a persimmon. Persimmon. This one.
Kiwi.
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 Kiwi. Yummy ba yan ang kiwi na mo? How about this one?
Lychee.
Lychee. This one.
Durian.
Durian. How about this one?
Duck.
Shock duck. This one.
Grape.
Grape. It's a grape. This one.
Cherry.
Cherry. How about this one?
Lemon.
Nagara-gara na sa ni siya ay. What's this?
Lychee.
It's a peach. Very good peach. Magara-gara din na siya ay. This one.
Lychee.
Taro.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Pomegranate.
Ha?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Very good. How about this one? Lungan. This one.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. This one. Dragon fruit or pitaya. This one. Pear. The end. Kinds of fruit na siya guys. Memorize na niya pero iya lang gara-gara lang na siya. So how about this one be?
Potato.
This one.
Potato.
It's for vegetables. No? How about this one? Parang eh. What is this? I-stop ko na lang na eh. Oh, what is this be?
Mushroom.
Oh, it's a mushroom. How about this one?
Potatoes. Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. How about this one? Eggplant. This one? Beans. Eggplant. So not beans. How about this one? Broccoli. How about this one? Pumpkin. This one? Lettuce. Nag-vlog mi ma. Kani?
Onion.
Ha? Ga? Di na onion, oy?
Garlic.
Oh, it's a garlic.
Kani.
Cauliflower. Kani? Cabbage. Kani? What is that? What is this, uy? It's a... nasa ni yung gara-gara eh. Ako na lang ni ipawang eh.
No.
Oh, unsa man na siya.
Lychee.
Ato na lang ni carrot. Gara-gara gid ni siya, guys.
Persimmon.
Nawa. What's this?
Persimmon.
Ay. Gara-gara on. Gara-gara on kaayo eh. Unsa ni? Na i-off na gid ni nako ba ha? It's greens. Greens. How about this one? Tarong ba? Unsa ni? Oh? Ay, ato na lang nang i-off eh. Kay gara-garaon man kay. Oh, chili. Pepper. What's the color of the pepper? What's this color?
Yellow.
This one.
Green.
This one.
Red.
It's a green. It's a color pepper. Color pepper. How about this one? Ay, sus, nagara-gara na sa... Unsa ni? Ay, i-off na lang ni Oy. What's this? Ako na i-off na lang Oy. Di mo kakabalo di ay ana.
Ginger.
Oh, ginger. Hilig na siya mag-joke-joke guys. Basta kuan. What's that? Oo. Bisag kabalo ba? Tarong ba? What's this? Ay. Ako na yung pagngunoy. What is that? What is this? What is this? Pag mo na lang na ay. Bamboo shoots. This one. This one. Gara-gara gini siya. What's this lagibo? I-off na lang ni Oy. Ha? Pag mo na lang na ko
Cabbage.
Chinese?
Cabbage.
It's a Chinese cabbage. This one?
Potato.
Tarong ba? Pagmon? What's this? Ako lang pagmon eh.
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Iba man ni siya guys. Magara-gara lang bit ni siya. This one. What's this? Pagmon lang.
Green beans.
Ha?
Green beans.
Naka lang din na maoy. It's a
Potato.
Tarong ba? Off na na eh. Unsa man eh?
Cucumber.
Ha?
Cucumber.
It's a balsamper.
Balsamper.
Balsamper. Or palia. Palia. In Bisaya, palia. Pait nga palia. This one. Onion. Makalimot siya itong palia. This one. Corn. It's a corn. This one. Potato. The end for the vegetables. Yay!
Wow! Number?
What's this?
Wow!
1. This one?
2.
How about this one?
7.
7. How about this one?
17.
17. How about this one?
19.
This one?
Apple.
This one? What number?
20.
20. How about this one?
50.
50. This one?
100.
100. Kabasa na ni siya og mga letters of numbers. Kani?
80.
Number 8. Very good. The end.
Another book.
Another books. What's this?
Television.
Huh?
Television.
Television. What's this?
That's TV na.
Oh, what's this?
Laptop.
Laptop or computer. This one.
Bag.
This one.
Washing.
Washing machine.
Toya.
This one.
Ito.
This one. Ano na? Electric kettle.
Rice cooker.
This one.
Vacuum.
Vacuum. This one.
Vacuum.
Oh, this one.
Sala.
Oh, mag-clean. Ang vacuum is used for